Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Omeo Easy English, where learning English is simple, fun, and full of good vibes. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Great to see you again.
Great to see you too. How's everything going today?
I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. The weather's perfect, sunny skies and a light breeze. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic. I'm so happy to be here for another episode.
Same here. And we've got a fun and very practical topic for today, don't we?
We do. Today's lesson is all about how to start a conversation in English.
That's such a useful topic. A lot of people say starting is the hardest part.
Exactly, but we're going to make it super easy and fun.
Before we dive in, just a quick reminder for our amazing listeners.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. It really helps us grow.
And if you know anyone who's learning English, please share this episode with them.
Thank you so much for your support. All right, ready to begin?
Absolutely. Let's start with the very first word people usually say.
The first word is, of course, hello. It's simple, friendly, and you can use it anywhere.
Yes, you can say hello to anyone, your teacher, a classmate, or even someone new.
And what about hi?
Hi works too. It's just a bit more casual, maybe something you'd use with friends or coworkers.
So hello is for everyone, and hi is a little more relaxed.
Exactly. You can even use hi when shopping or meeting new people. It's perfectly friendly.
All right, so we've got hello and hi. What about greetings that use the time of day?
That's a good point. You can say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time.
Let's go through them one by one.
Good morning is what you say from when you wake up until around noon.
Right, it's polite and cheerful. I love saying good morning. It feels like a positive start.
Then we have good afternoon, which works from about 12 p.m. to 6 p.m.
So if I see someone at 2 o'clock, I can say good afternoon.
Perfect. And later in the day, we say good evening.
That's usually after sunset, right?
Yes, around 6 p.m. or later. But remember, good night isn't for greeting, it's for saying goodbye.
Ah, right. Good night is what you say before going to bed.
Exactly. So when you arrive somewhere in the evening, say good evening. When you leave, say good night.
Now that we've got greetings, what comes next?
The next step is to ask, how are you?
Ah, yes, the classic question. Everyone learns that one in school.
True. The traditional answer is, I'm fine, thank you, and you, which is still polite.
But there are many other ways to respond.
Exactly. If you're feeling good, you can say, I'm good, thanks.
Or even, I'm great if you're feeling really happy.
Right. Let's practice. How are you today?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. And you?
I'm doing really well, thanks.
See? A short exchange like that already feels like a real conversation.
Yes, and if you're just okay, you can say, I'm okay, or not bad.
That's true. So many ways to sound natural and friendly.
All right, what if you're talking to someone new?
Then it's time to introduce yourself. You can say, my name is Emma, or simply, I'm Emma.
Both are great. The my name is version sounds a bit more formal.
And don't forget to ask their name. What's your name?
Let's try a quick example.
Sure, you start.
Hi, my name is Daniel. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
See? Just like that, you've started a conversation.
Now, what if you want to keep the conversation going?
Then we need a conversation starter, something easy to talk about.
The most common one? Definitely the weather.
Oh, yes! Everyone talks about the weather. It's simple and safe.
You can say, it's a beautiful day today, or the weather's really nice.
And the other person can reply, yes, it is.
If it's not nice, you can say, it's raining, or the weather isn't great today.
Let's go over some common weather words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, and cold.
Perfect. You can always look outside and find something to say.
Another great way to start a conversation is by giving a compliment.
Yes, a compliment means saying something nice about someone, like their outfit or smile.
For example, I like your shirt, or your bag is really nice.
And people usually smile and say, thank you.
Exactly. It's a small thing that makes people happy.
Let's try. I'll start. I really like your jacket today. It looks great.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Ooh, look, our bus is coming.
It was really nice chatting with you.
Same here. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Wow, that short chat used all the steps. It did. We greeted, talked about the weather, introduced ourselves, and gave a compliment.
See, conversations don't have to be hard.
Exactly. Just start small with a smile and a simple hello.
A smile is universal. It works in every language.
Yes. So let's quickly review for our listeners.
All right. Step 1, start with a greeting. Hello, hi, or good morning. Step 2, ask how they are. Step 3, introduce yourself if you're meeting for the first time. Step 4, add a small topic like weather or a nice compliment.
See? 4 simple steps to begin any friendly conversation in English.
Exactly. And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Every small chat helps you improve.
That's so true. Even a short talk at a bus stop is great English practice.
Well, that's all for today's episode.
Time really flies when we're having fun.
Thank you all so much for listening.
And don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
We'd love to hear from you too. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to start a conversation in English?
Do you like talking about the weather or giving compliments? Let us know.
Thank you again for joining us.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And we'll see you in the next episode.